let's give a honest, detailed review of the Skar EVL 6.5. I have plans for this. I have plans. There'll not be another box inside the box. Oh, here it is, right here. Oh, man, pretty beefy. Damn. Nice. This thing is more beefy than I thought it was gonna be. It's a wide magnet, very wide magnet. I forgot to mention something. The cone on this is very stiff and rigid. Even the dust cap is very stiff. That's good right there. That's a good sign. This thing also has a 2-inch voice cord, which is very good for a 6.5. Very good for a 6.5. And I'm going to install this thing in my truck. I know what you're saying. You got two ZVS 18s. Why are you installing a 6.5-inch sub? All right, my plans is to install this little 6.5 right here on the side panel. But for you real quick, got foam and wood back here because the base was cracking the metal. Look at that, cracking all that. It would have continued to crack if I didn't put the wood on foam. And I got another crack on this side right here. See that? Cracked all that. Had to foam that side too. And then on my hatch, see that? Crack right there. Had to foam my hatch as well. And then right here, crack my freaking license plate. That's insane right there. And the reason I'm doing this is when I want my voltage to build up on the way to a show, you know, I have my subs off. So, you know, I can still have some bass, you know, while they're off. Or when I'm coming from a show, let my amp and subs cool off. And, you know, I can still have some bass on my downtime. So that's the reason behind it. All right, let's get a little demo of this thing free airing on some music. This thing was stiff at first, but it's not stiff anymore. Has plenty of play in it now. This thing has some good X-Mats. It wasn't full tilt. Don't want to play it too hard. It just got it. Want to break it in a little bit. But this thing has some throw to it. Anyways, look at this. This is a DD9918. Has a 4-inch voice coil. Look at this. The angle. The voice coil is almost wide as the freaking speaker itself. Actually, it takes up the whole cone. Oh man, that's cool. Stay tuned for the box build. I'm gonna build a box for this thing. My own custom box for this thing to fit in my side panel. Can't wait.